What's up my good people, welcome guys to Tech Explorers, and in today's video we'll be learning more how you can be able to change an image from JPEG that is to a PDF. How do you go about it? Let's dive into it. So all you need to do, you can just download that is Photoshop, and I'll leave the link in my video description. So when you load the link in that is in my video description into your browser, it should redirect you to this website. So you just need to click here, start a free trial, then you'll be able to download that is Photoshop. After you download Photoshop, you just need to install it. Then after you install it, now we can proceed with the rest part of the video. And this, after you install the Photoshop, you should be at this point. So let me first of all show you the image that will be converting. We'll be changing the format that is from an image from an image to a PDF, and this is the image that will be changing from from an image to a PDF, and I can just click it and open it, and this image will be able to convert it, that is from JPEG format to a PDF format. Just a minute. So you can just right click on this image, then we can go to the properties and check the format of this image. So you just need to right click and go to properties, and when you go to details, you can see actually this is an image. This is actually an image. So what we need to do now, I already opened the image. You can see it's an image. So what we'll do now, you just need to open our Photoshop, and this is my Photoshop. So you just need to click open and select the image. Just click open, select the image I have saved in pictures. So this is the image. You just load it you just load the image on Photoshop, and this is the image that will be converting that is to a PDF. Now to convert the image, assuming that we are not editing anything, we just want to convert to change the format. So you just need to click here, file. You just need to click file and go to save as. You can actually just need to click you just need to click file and select save as, and it is here. Or you can use the shortcut key that is control shift S. Then when it comes to format, we need to change this format and select that is a PDF format. It is actually among all these options, so we just need to look for a PDF. Okay, just a minute. I need to look for it. That is PDF format. So we have Photoshop, we also have JPG, we have Photoshop, and it is here. So Photoshop PDF, this one. So you just need to select this one, then you just need to click save, and that image has been saved as a PDF. So now what we do, let's now go to to pictures and look for that image. I think there is a notification here, so we just need to click OK. Then we can just need to click save as a PDF, then yes. Then you can we go to pictures and open the image, and you can see this. We have been able to convert the image that is JPG, that is the image format, to a PDF format. So let's just open that is a PDF and see if the images look do they share any that is characteristic, do they look alike? Just a minute. Yeah, and you can see now we have been able to convert this image. We have been able to convert the format of this image. So let me select, let me reduce the size of this image here. You can just give it like 50, so that you can be able to get a good view. And you can see we have been able to change the format of this image. We have been able to change the format that is from an image file to that is a PDF formats. And that is how simply you can be able to change that is a format of an image. The format you can be able to change from an image that is to a PDF. very easily. So all you need to do is just download that is Photoshop. Actually, you don't need deep knowledge on Photoshop. You just need to install, then open that image using Photoshop. Then from there, just save. Then when you are saving, you just need to select the PDF format. Then proceed. After you are done and you save, you can just open the image, and actually you have been able to change the formats. That's all we have for today, guys. Goodbye.